Always bringing you fun, new, and exciting products. This is JASTEK. So you wonder, like, what? This is like a keychain. Like, what can this do for me? It comes in a 2-pack. This is what came. This spaghetti. So what this is a male USB. And on the end of the male USB, we have several different connectors. One of them I actually think is a iPhone connector. And now this, what you do is you would plug this into your laptop or your charger and then pick from one of these. And this is the one again, I think this is the one that is an iPhone charger. But pretty much any device you need to charge. So the only thing that so far, well, I love this one because it has the braided cords. One of my favorite things is the braided cords because underneath this is your wire. They seem to hold up better when they're like this. So this is nice and long. There's my baby dolls and all my junk pile of mail I'm going through. So the only thing I've noticed is my computer notices it and allows it to charge. But it wasn't recognizing it as a data so that if I wanted to, I could upload or, like transfer my photos over here or something. So I'm going to try again. But when I did it the first time, because I always try things to make sure they work, before I start doing a video. So let's use my other phone. This one definitely, my stomach is growling. I will use my Galaxy. So first off, I am going to find which one of these will plug into my Galaxy. I'm going to try this one first. No, hold on. I'm so sorry, laptop. I did not mean to do that to you. Let me try this one here. That is a no. These here are weird. These look like iPhone pieces. Too big. So it must be, nope. It's this one. So now that is plugged in, now plugged it in there, I'm going to plug it into my data side. This is the one that has faster data. And now it is charging it. I can see here. See? It's charging it. But now when I go here, let's see. Let's go down to this PC. And only my C drive and my DVD drive is showing up. The data part. So maybe these are only for chargers. Maybe these are just chargers. Because I can do the same with my regular You know what? I just need one more hand. One more hand would make this so easy. Plug that in. I'm going to take this and unplug the JASTEK, which is, didn't want to give it up. So now, see, that right away recognized, here we have it here, my Samsung phone. So for some reason, this, I gotta look up, but maybe this must only, is there such thing as a charging only, that it doesn't transfer data? I don't know. I'll have to look it up and see. But it worked fine for charging my phone, because I charged the phone that I am making the video on. Now I'm going to do the same. Sorry. I'm going to do the same again. Now with this other one, it's a smaller, the one that looks like a little keychain. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to find the one that looks like it's going to fit my phone. Let me find it. It had a feeling. There it is. It seems sharp to me in the back. That's the one that fits my phone. So now we are plugged in here. And it's just a little short stack, so I'm going to plug this into my data. Again, this is the one that does quick. So it starts charging, but nothing. It's not recognizing it. Let me try all the other ones. Nothing. Again, it's charging it. So I have another one over on this other side. So let's try. I don't like to give up on anything. But most of the times, we only need these for charging purposes. But it just so happened that I had to transfer some videos over. Again, it's charging. It's charging my phone, but it's not. Let me move this thing here. What is this? This PC. Let me just see where. Oh, we're in the C file. Okay, see, again, it's just got the C and my DVD. No Samsung. So, okay. It's really not a big deal unless you're getting it as a data. I don't know. I've just never ever had one that didn't do both, so it kind of threw me off when I had to. I was just plugging my Bluetooth. No, not my Bluetooth. My mouse, my wireless mouse. So yeah, I don't understand that, but it wouldn't take long for me to look up to see. As a matter of fact, I can go right now and look at my orders and see exactly. So I'm pretty sure sometimes companies send me things and then sometimes I buy them. So let me go see if it's on my Amazon. May 23rd. Wow, there's some stuff that takes a very long time to get here. Let's see. Multi-USB cable, 2 packs. JASTEK's 2 sets, 4-in-1, and 6-in-1 multiple USB charging cables. Adapter connector with C, 8-pin micro USB, mini USB ports for universal charging. So yeah, it's definitely not a data cable. So I was just checking on that. I should have read that. So these are definitely chargers and not data transfers. But that being said, the price of this one set, I paid $12.99. Now, recently, it's pretty embarrassing. I probably paid $18 for this. I ordered, it's probably 5 foot long, 6 foot long. I think I paid $15 for it. So I just paid $12.99. Got the same thing with a braided wire and actually charge multiple devices. The only thing that would be nice is if it had more than one Android thing, because I charge a lot. I have 2 phones that are always on the charger, and my son has 2 phones that are always on chargers at night. So as far as I can see, only one of these fit. I'll do a double check right now, just to make sure that, let me take this off here. Yeah, I thought it was weird. I'll do the same for this. I thought it was weird that there was no data going. I've never seen one that was charging only. Actually, never even, I just figured, I guess I just assumed they were all that. That's too big. Yeah, so just one on there. And that, is that the one? That is that. Too big. I'm pretty sure that this is, what do you call it? iPhone. Because they have that, the pins. Yeah. So only one on each is an Android. And it looks like there may be 2 iPhone chargers. These 2 here look like they're iPhones, but I'm not sure. But you know what? It's always easy to go in and look and see exactly what we're working with. But I will actually put all that information down below. So if it does say what kind of chargers it is, yeah, but it does say that they're just charging. Charging speed is 1 times USB-C cable, 1 micro USB cable, 2 times 8-pin cable, 6-in-1 multi, 1-year replacement warranty. No, I like it. I'm going to try to turn around so you can see the thing right there. That's what you get right there. So this one here is $12.99. It says right now it's on sale and you're saving $13. So that's pretty good, because I'm pretty sure I either paid $15 or $18 for the cable I bought, but it is data and charging. But yeah, most of the time definitely need charging cables. And it's nice to have the iPhone stuff, because several times people in my family who have iPhones, they're here and they're like, do you have an iPhone cable so I can charge my phone? And I don't. So now I can say I do. And I like this one because this is going to fit in my purse. I can put it in the zipper part where it's not going to get all bent up, and it's going to keep them in good shape. And they'll be in there in case of emergency. And then if somebody comes over and they need to charge their iPhone, then we have one. So yeah, I'll put all the information down below. And again, this one here, I really like that it has the braided. You Sleeping Beauty. Hi, bud. Are you sleepy? Sleeping Beauty. Always close by Mommy. He's looking at his boy. Are you saying the M word? Are you going to have cereal and Milkies? Let me ask Bud a question. Bud, do you like Milkies?
Yeah, he's gone.
What does that tell you? Does my dog like milk? I don't know. He thinks he's a cat. Alright, thanks for watching. And of course, if anything goes wrong with these, I'll let you know. But I'm thinking we're not going to have a problem. But definitely they are for charging, and my laptop does not recognize them in any way, shape, or form as a data cable. It didn't even ask me what I wanted to assign, because usually when you first charge something in, it will ask you, what would you like to assign it? Meaning, do you want to let it do data or just for charging? Is it media? What? It didn't ask. So it definitely only recognizes it as charging. And I actually learned something new today. I didn't even know there was such a thing. Okay, bye. Did you have your milkies yet? Wow, that was quick. Now he's in here rolling all over the floor because he's in love with milkies. He loves it so much. He's like, Milkies, Milkies, I love you, Milkies. Milkies, I love you. I love Milkies. He's gonna wait and see if he can get some more out of my son. But yeah, every night he just puts a tiny bit in the bottom of a little bowl for the dog. It is probably like 3 tablespoons of milk. We don't give him a lot. I don't know if it would give him diarrhea or not. But anyway, just give him a little bit and he loves it. All you gotta do is say milk and he is there. Or he's got to see the milk carton and he gets up and he's all happy. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you very much. I hear him. He's happy.